Alrighty, you made it in. My name is Robin with Robin's Improve Yourself Consultant and Fresco FICO LLC. Wanted to shoot you this little video and tell you a little bit about myself. Before I do, I wanted to remind you to check your inbox. The free newsletter article course should be in your inbox. Be sure to check your spam. The way that this is going to work is that you will receive every day a new newsletter article, and within that newsletter article it's going to give you points or pointers and tips on how to improve your credit, and you'll receive this for the next 27 days, okay? To repair your credit, to improve your credit, different pointers and tips. All right, now to get into my story of why I'm here and to understand some of the things that's within this offer that's made to you. I started out back in the year 2003, 2004 as a real estate assistant. Prior to that, I used to be in retail. I worked at Jiffy Lube, worked at Rite Aid. I also sold furniture for a living, which led me into, in summary, into real estate, and I became a real estate assistant. When I came into real estate as a real estate assistant, I did not have good credit, and not good credit at all. I owed child support, I had repossessions, I had an eviction on my name, I had late payments on cell phones, I had late payments on some utility bills. I actually owed a couple $100,000 in debt, considering child support, the repossession, and all the other little miscellaneous things that was on my credit. But in my endeavor to educate myself and pursue a better life, I came across a realtor. I came across other attorneys and paralegals and people that were already in the industry of real estate, and they already had a wealth of knowledge on credit and credit repair. Once I ran into those individuals, they kind of paved the way to help me creatively improve and better my credit. I did pay a couple dollars to receive education, and then also to have an expert like myself today to help with the credit repair, and then along the way understanding the laws from interacting with paralegals and attorneys. It kind of led to me understanding everything and being able to improve my credit, and getting rid of all that bad debt without me actually having to pay it at all. Okay, I'm talking a couple $100,000 in bad debt that was on my credit report, close to about 200 grand, I think it was, way back when, including the credit, the child support and the auto loans and all that good stuff. But I was able to get it off and didn't pay no more than like $1,000 with the education. And so that kind of drove me to be consistent in my real estate endeavors, to continue to educate myself, to become an investor, to be able to help people buy and sell real estate, and along the lines of me being, an active real estate assistant, again, bumping into those other experts led to me helping other people to improve and repair their credit. And before you know it, many people were able to acquire mortgages, credit cards, low interest rates, and just basically we were able to acquire whatever it is that they were interested in. So that kind of led to where I am today, which is why all that I learned way back then, I'm included in this 7 business day credit repair course. And in addition to this credit repair course, ebook course that I'm providing, I'm also providing you some vendor references where we have a reference, or should I say a relationship with, to help improve our client's credit, to help boost it a lot quicker than you would if you went out and acquired a secure credit card. We're talking about a good $20,000 to $25,000 of unsecured credit from online stores that you can add to your credit report, and that's going to help your credibility. It's going to help boost your credit score. In addition to the ebook course and the primary trade line references that's offered to you, you're also going to have a series of templates, legal templates, a portfolio of templates of the law, FCRA law, penal codes, templates, pre-templates where you can just kind of plug in your name, fill it out, sign it, and mail it in. And this is just another method in addition to the 7 business day ebook course that provided you with, to be sure that you're able to repair and improve your credit. All this has been made available to you for a very low fee, so I would highly recommend you take advantage. We like to call it the do-it-yourself credit repair. We call it the legal credit adjustment, and it's been made available to you today, excuse me. So I would say take advantage, enjoy. I would say happy credit, and I look forward to hearing of your testimonials and what you've experienced in the near future. Until then, I will see you on the other side. Have a good day.